Come test drive the 2025 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.